Coming up soon, so I'm doing the sample first. I'm here with my special guest from Nova Color Scandinavia. I'm here with, this is Michael. I'm here with Sarai Marie Sagasti, very beautiful princess right here. And then we're gonna apply our Marmorino. So this is what we're gonna call second coat application. Remember, everything in circular motions. So basically the secret is to have everything nice and smooth. That's the secret. To have everything nice and smooth. You don't want to leave any high spots, like let's say like that. You don't want to do that, because then all that will show through. So you want to go back over it, but you don't want to go back over it that you're burnishing it. So the secret is going over it with product. Right, Sarai? Right? So this is for a huge project, so I gotta make sure it comes out perfect in sample. The thing is that even with big projects, you wanna make sure the sample comes out good, but you wanna make sure it comes out authentic. You don't wanna do it extra special, because if you're not gonna do the job, like all the walls looking like the sample, then it's a big problem. You have to do the sample how you're gonna do the wall. You gotta be realistic in that. That's very important. Right, Sarai? Right? So this fine Marmorino, if you notice it, the darker colors gives you more depth with the product. Very beautiful. Of course, using always my exotic line Beast, and gives you this beautiful finish. Then I'm gonna wax it.